We start with breaking news tonight. Indiana now is jumping ahead to stage 3 of reopening, doing so just in time for the Memorial Day holiday weekend. Stage 3 now officially starts this Friday. You might recall it was originally scheduled to start on Sunday, but the governor says the new numbers that are out now show that the state can ease restrictions and allow gatherings of up to 100 people. What this means is that retail stores and malls can now operate at a 75% capacity. Y's, gyms, and fitness studios may open Friday with restrictions. Community pools, campgrounds may open as well. Recreational sports practices can now begin, but contact sports like lacrosse and football still are prohibited. We also have good news for parents. Youth summer day camps begin on June 1st. That's good news for kids, too. But the governor says this can only happen if we continue to follow social distancing requirements.
Have a role in this, and the number one thing you can do is wear a mask when you're around a lot of other people and you're in close quarters up on top of, around a lot of folks. A mask is going to go a long way. That physical distancing going to go a long way. Washing your hands, all those hygiene habits that we mention every single time we're together, those add up and make a difference, and that's what's allowed us. We've been successful to date. Because, again, by and large, most people are doing these things.
So this means that the entire state is moving to stage 3 on Friday, except for Marion, Cass, and Lake counties. They will start stage 3 on Monday, June 1st.
In Washington today, the CDC quietly released more detailed guidance for how schools, businesses, and public transit can safely reopen. Now, the guidelines were delayed when the White House ordered a rewrite. Now, the new version toned down its language, phrasing some sections as suggestions and not requirements. Take a listen.
You can't be overly prescriptive. Not every state and every county and every jurisdiction has the same infection rate, has the same exposure, has the same situation.
And across the country and even here at home, there's a huge demand for food. In fact, take a look at this. Hundreds of cars and thousands of people were in line last weekend. They were there for a mega food distribution at the state fairgrounds. With unemployment now nearing levels that we haven't seen since the Great Depression, food pantries, as you can imagine, they are needed now more than ever before. But can they keep up with this kind of demand, and for how long? Tonight at 5 o'clock, our own Dustin Grove takes a close look at the concerns and the effort to keep the meals coming for those who really, really need it.
Thank you so much. You guys are awesome.
In countless communities, the faces are different, but the story is much the same.
Of course, I'm unemployed. Right now, I have two out of five of my kids home.
My daughter-in-law's not been able to work because she's got a cough, and I'm retired, and we got 4 little kids, and they're all at home all the time, so this extra food helps a lot.
So many families in need of food.
None of us have ever seen anything like this before.
John Whitaker is CEO of the Midwest Food Bank in Indiana and says they're keeping up for now, but the system is strained.
It's been pretty non-stop.
Demand up 30% and growing. Earlier this month, they teamed up with the Salvation Army at Lucas Oil Stadium and packed 10,000 boxes of food worth $500,000.
And when you have a budget of $860,000 and you start to distribute $500,000 worth of purchased product, that's pretty simple math.
And without more financial help, he says feeding this many people at this rate simply isn't sustainable. Others agree.
It's after the crisis is over and when we're still going to need to provide so much food to people that I'm really worried about sustaining our operations.
Because even though the pandemic will eventually end, experts say high unemployment will linger much longer. And while Whitaker says his doors will never completely close,
what we want to do is not to have to say no to folks that are in need in our state.
So his food bank and others are now looking down the road, hoping more Hoosiers who can support their neighbors will.
Absolutely. That's the Hoosier way. And we would like you to weigh in on our next story. So make sure you get out your phone and head to WTHR.com/vote or just pull up the WTHR app This is our question. We want to know if you're going to go dine at a restaurant this weekend. For you, is it about time? Is it too soon? Or are you just not sure right now? We sure have been getting a lot of questions from you about how things are going to work this weekend as Marion County closes streets so restaurants can increase and open with outdoor seating. So while Mary Mills now answers some of your many questions, we want to make sure you share your thoughts by getting out your device and voting now.
DPW crews closing a 3-block stretch of Illinois Street downtown to make room for outdoor dining and, most importantly, social distancing.
If you put your arm out, that's 6 feet. So that's what we want, is to use this lane to spread out as people walk down the street.
DPW's Dan Parker says permitted restaurants will be able to extend outdoor seating from the sidewalk to these barriers. Harry and Izzy's staff measuring to see how many tables they might add.
This is all the space that they would gain. I mean, this is a pretty large space.
Under the rules, restaurants cannot operate at more than 50% capacity with tables 6 feet apart. The Weber Grill normally has room for nearly 500 diners, now about 60. Still, the general manager says they're pumped and already taking reservations.
We're excited to have a tent out there, tables, chairs that are linen. It's going to look like dining room, but we're going to move it outside.
Some things to know: every restaurant needs an emergency weather plan. While employees must wear face masks, diners don't. You can have alcoholic beverages, but only tableside. And yes, indoor restrooms will be available. As for parking,
there is plenty of parking downtown.
You will be able to access garages along Illinois and Georgia. Just be aware of the detours. At last count, 44 restaurants across Marion County had applied for special permits to expand their outdoor seating, most downtown, and we presume most eager to reopen Friday.
I can't wait to see what Illinois Street looks like, Friday night at 7 o'clock in the middle of a dinner rush. I'm excited to get that feeling back.